Are you feeling bad about yourself? Insecure, inadequate, or something else? What do you usually do when you feel like that? Hopefully, you're not indulging in behaviors like impulse shopping or binge eating. Don't give up on yourself. After all, you are the only person in the entire universe that understands you the most. After watching this short video, you will learn a quick and simple solution that you can apply in your life right now, every single day, to feel more in control, confident, and better about yourself. This is not a self-care video. I know that feeling very well. When you feel bad, you are already very unmotivated. You don't need another task to make you feel even more overwhelmed. Keep watching to learn and apply this simple technique that my therapist told me about. Hi, I'm Venus. I'm a music therapist based in Sydney. On this channel, I share the evidence-based tools and live experiments on both myself and on my clients that will hopefully make well-being simple and fun for busy people like you. Let me tell you, I never believed in affirmation. I think that's complete BS. If you fundamentally don't believe in something that you said, there is no way that you can brainwash yourself. Everything comes down to trust. Our brain needs evidence. We feel bad mostly because we are not reliable. We don't do the things we said we would do. And then we start labeling ourselves. I am lazy, I'm unproductive, I will never achieve X. And then we create a downward spiral. Our brain will start to believe in those labels because we have the evidence. I didn't go for a workout today. I said I'm going to start writing that proposal, but I did not today. Everything comes down to trust. So, in order to feel better about yourself, all you need to do is to be accountable. And the one simple habit that I built that made the most impact is to keep promises I made to myself. A promise is a promise. Here's the how. Do affirmation, but with a twist. Keep an affirmation journal to complete at the end of the day. Spend a minute to think about what amazing qualities you have demonstrated today. List down 3 things. There you go, you have evidence that you are capable, reliable, and are ready to do great things. Do this every day and you build a stack of undeniable evidence that you are someone who will do the things that they say they will do. From there, you gain confidence that you can achieve greater things. And then you start to show up every day. You achieve goals. Then of course you will start feeling better about yourself. I like to pair this with the top 3 non-negotiable lists that I do every single morning. Let me show you my Notion. So this is my Notion daily journaling template. You can gain access to following the link in the description box below. When I start my day, I set goals. 3 things that I will get done no matter what. It's called non-negotiable for a reason. You do not negotiate with yourself. And these 3 things are linked to both my short and long-term goals. On the days I know I'll be on the road a lot, for example, Thursdays, then I usually will keep it simple. Morning walk, show at my best for my clients, and read for 10 minutes. Does that sound too simple? I like to prepare for the unknown. If I can't even get this simple task done for the day, how can I count on myself to do the more complex tasks later on? Look at your schedule and obligations, and then set daily goals for yourself like that. And then, here's the point, at the end of the day, have a quick reflection of how the day went, and list 3 amazing qualities that you demonstrated today. There you go, your evidence. You are amazing and you are capable of doing greater things. It's surprising how the little things that we do actually matter, right? Because the small habits do add up. And here's a quick note on self-worth. There is no empty affirmation that will raise your self-worth. If you fundamentally don't believe that you deserve anything, you need to keep working on yourself. Start small. Do what you said you would do. You need to own the full responsibility and accountability, because you're the only one that you can actually rely on. I've been keeping this end-of-day affirmation for about 2 years now since my therapist first told me. Keeping promises I made to myself tremendously changed the relationship that I have with myself. Success lies in the small things. Start today. You only need 1 minute. If you're interested in learning how I journal and set goals with Notion, you can check out this video here for a full walkthrough. You can also unlock all my other templates following the link in the description box below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.